The Makita 18V LXT Lithium-Ion Cordless Plate Joiner, model XJP03Z, tool only, provides portability and performance in the field or in the shop without the cord. The XJP03Z combines power and precision with ease of use features for strong and accurate biscuit joints for furniture making, cabinet construction, and fine woodworking applications. Note: battery and charger sold separately. For improved tool performance and extended battery life, Makita created Star Protection computer controls. Star Protection is a communication technology that allows the Star Protection-equipped tool and battery to exchange data in real-time and monitor conditions during use to protect against overloading, over-discharging and overheating. For increased versatility, the tool can also be powered by Makita 18V LXT and Compact Lithium-Ion batteries with the star symbol on the battery indicating Star Protection inside. The XJP03Z provides up to 320 cuts or 160 joints on a single charge, 18V LXT 3.0Ah battery, sold separately. The rack-and-pinion vertical fence system is engineered for accurate fence adjustments, and the cast aluminum pivot fence has 3 positive stops at 0 degrees, 45 degrees, and 90 degrees. The blade diameter is 4 inches, and there are 6 depth settings with 1 touch stops for the most common biscuit sizes including number 0, number 10, and number 20. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Rack-and-pinion vertical fence system engineered for accurate fence adjustments. Number 2. Cast aluminum pivot fence with 3 positive stops at 0 degree, 45 degree, and 90 degree, and easy centering on 3/4 of an inch material. Number 3. 6 depth settings with 1 touch stops for number 0, number 10, and number 20 and most common biscuit sizes. Number 4. Cordless plate joiner provides portability and performance in the field or in the shop without the cord. Number 5. Large and easy to operate cam locks for fence adjustments. Number 6. Note battery and charger sold separately. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.